Welcome back to the channel. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the car buying process. Have you ever felt like the dealer had the upper hand when buying a car? You're not alone. In this video, we're exposing 5 car dealer secrets that could save you hundreds, or even thousands, of pounds on your next car purchase. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you a pro tip that can give you the upper hand every time. Let's get started. Secret 1. Trade-in undervaluation tactics. One of the oldest dealer tricks is making you a low offer for your trade-in. Why? Because many buyers don't do their research, and dealers can resell that car for a hefty markup. What to do? Always research your car's value online before setting foot in a dealership. Get quotes from at least 3 different places. This way, you can spot a lowball offer immediately and walk away if needed. Example, an average condition 2015 Ford Focus can be worth roughly £5,000 to £6,000, but a dealer might try to offer just £4,000. Don't accept it unless you have reasons to. Secret 2. Hidden fees in the finance paperwork. Even when you've agreed on a price, the dealership can slip in extras like documentation fees, gap insurance, or tire protection. These can add hundreds of pounds to your final cost. What to do? Read every line of the paperwork. Don't be afraid to ask questions about every charge, and remove anything you don't want. Example, a documentation fee might be £300 to £500. By questioning it, you can save enough for a year's worth of servicing. Secret 3. Upsold warranties you don't need. Extended warranties can be worthwhile, but only if you truly need them. Dealerships often push these because they're highly profitable. What to do? Compare the dealership warranty with manufacturer or third-party options online before you commit. Sometimes you're already covered, especially if the car is relatively new. Example, a dealership warranty might cost £1,000, while a reputable third-party plan for the same coverage can be as low as £600 to £700. Secret 4. Tricks around part exchange. Here's a classic tactic called the shell game. The dealer gives you a discount on the new car, but lowballs your trade-in to balance it out. What to do? Treat these as 2 separate negotiations. Get a firm price for the new car first, then discuss your part exchange. Example, a dealer might reduce the price of a car by £500, only to offer £500 less than your trade-in is worth. Stay sharp, and focus on both numbers. Secret 5. The power of negotiation. Sales staff are trained to spot uncertainty and apply pressure, making you feel like you have to make a decision right now. What to do? Stay calm, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away. The best bargaining tool is your ability to say, "I'll think about it." Why this matters? You could save hundreds, or even over 1,000, simply by taking a moment to review an offer away from a dealership floor. There you have it. 5 secrets car dealers don't want you to know. Understanding these tactics can save you serious money and help you walk into the dealership with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest car advice, and check out our website.